morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our channel, Just
One More Place.
My name is Sakshi.
My name is Chanchur.
And today we are going to another fun place, which is
Canary Islands.
Yes, in Spain. It's a long flight, 4 hours long, and this is our first time there in the Canary Islands. We are very excited for this trip. It's gonna be a relaxing and one day full of exciting excursions. So stay tuned.
Let's explore.
And we just landed. This is a very nice airport just by the sea. Very cool. Waiting for Chancho to arrive. We had different seats.
Hello. So finally we have arrived in Lanzarote, and we are now taking a bus to our hotel. It will drop us 10 minutes walk away, but it says like it's going to be a beach walk. So yeah.
View from our hotel. It's very, very pretty. Beach all around.
Hello. So yesterday we landed in Lanzarote and checked into our hotel. It was a very nice hotel. We relaxed, had a dinner, and just went for a stroll around the beach. Today we have a very good activities to do. So the first of all is submarine safari.
We are going to an interesting activity. It's called Submarine Safari. So basically we are gonna go underwater in a submarine for the first time in our lives. Are you excited, Chanchur, for that?
Yes.
This is their cool boat. Sorry, their cool bus, which also looks like a submarine.
Here's our little baby, Miss Sakshi, coloring the submarine along with other babies. What are you coloring?
Submarine, but it is not sharpened. See my submarine. My final product, guys. Yay!
Here's our submarine, Sakshi.
I think that one.
Yes.
This is us in a real submarine, and look at that. We got fishes outside. So freaking cool. Woo! This is what the submarine looks like from inside.
The control panel here.
We have the control panel, which is so cool.
Both the fishes are racing with submarine.
We can almost now see the bed of the sea.
And we are only at 20 meters deep right now. This submarine will go up to 30 meters, so there will be another level.
This is very cool. Also, they told us one thing, that as we go down, the red color of the chair turns blue, and it is no longer red now. As you can see, it is getting darker. This is because of physics, where red color is absorbed first, and that's why under ocean we see mostly blues and greens. It was such a cool experience. We dove into the sea with a submarine, and there are only 14 submarines in the world. So we just took a dive in a submarine, and there are only 14 passenger submarines in the world. Number 13 doesn't exist because it is considered a bad omen from the mariners, and the one which we dove in is number 7. It was built and assembled in Finland, and now it was transported here. And it has been operating for so many years, more than 20 years. It was so amazing to see. There were so many different types of fishes, and the good bit is that this time I was able to get into the water, see the fishes, and not get stung by a jellyfish like last time when I was doing a scuba diving. So that was the best part. You don't get wet, you don't get sting, and you can observe it with so much beauty. It was such a great experience. We highly recommend it. The second dive in the submarine, if you have done once, is at 50% cost. So if you're interested, you want to do it again, that comes with a benefit. Chanchal, how was your experience? Do you want to say?
Yeah, it was a good experience, very great experience. I want to touch and feel one of the fish, but unfortunately I can't because I'm in a submarine. But yeah, it's definitely fun and amazing to watch. Now we are at a nearby restaurant called Mumbai Masala and having some Indian food as snacks, and enjoying this lovely vibe out here.
We have more experiences booked for today. Today is an exciting day. Yesterday was such a chill day, and tomorrow is also such a chill day. But today is adventure-filled day.
How are you liking it after having an Indian chai?
Yeah, nothing can beat an Indian chai. Really, no coffee, nothing. This is our diving certificate, which says that we have completed an underwater voyage in the Atlantic Ocean, and we went up to I think 30 meters. So yeah, let's go. This is mine and this is Chanchal's.
Now we are going to do the parasailing, and with both of us together. So yeah.
We are getting ready for the parasailing tour. This is our guide.
Let's go. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. We have another passenger on board, which is a dog. We are getting ready for the jet ski. Sorry for the parasailing.
Our boat pulling us, and there's a view.
So we just came back from an exciting day of many activities. What all did we do, Janchar?
So we started with the submarine and we watched a lot of colorful fishes. We went deep inside the sea, I think 30 meters deep, and then we went for some water sports. We started with the parasailing and then we did banana and a donut boat, which is fun, and then we drove the jet ski, which is an amazing experience.
Exactly, and in fact, we were driving the fastest. We were at 70 km/h, which is the maximum speed of a jet ski. So Chanchur is a rash driver, as is a proof in this video here, be it on road or on water. Anyway.
But it's fun. It's fun anytime.
It was very fun day. We just came back, ate some food in our room, and we were all very salty because of the seawater, because in the banana boat and the donut boat we were just like bumping all the time, and it was just two of us, so very personal experience, and a lot of water splashing on the face, and I think I had a lot of salty taste in my mouth, as well as my entire body was full in salt, because it was the Atlantic Ocean which we were doing these sports on. Very fun. I tried the jet ski for the first time as well, for very little time, but I think you really need a tight grip on the handle, so we switched back, but was fun, really.
But you drove well.
Yeah. This brings this vlog about to end, and tomorrow we are checking out and returning back to the home base. We are planning to do a spa session and use the swimming pool in our hotel and take it just easy, maybe a massage if we have time, but we don't have anything planned for tomorrow, so just chilling, having breakfast, checking out, and going to the airport for back to work.
Yep.
If you liked our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed all the photos and videos. Feel free to share it with your friends and family.
And keep following us for more travel content.
The next one is very exciting.
Yes, as always.
Bye.
Bye.